Welcome back to the Garden Railroad project and to the station area of Schneidersheim. The track inspectors are checking out my work from yesterday. But today we are going to finish up the steel edge. I was missing some steel parts, which I was able to acquire this morning. And now we are going to finish this up. All the slots are cut. Now it is time to roughly bend it into the shape I want and then fit it into place down here and fine adjust from there. Look at that! I'm excited. This looks really good. Since I've dry fitted all those pieces together, I'm ready to weld. I'm right now getting an inspection, but I think we can't say nothing against welding this into one piece. The second platform is set into place and it looks fantastic. Look at that. This is one of two signals which have to be mounted on top of the platform, and that's what I've come up with. We've got a pipe down here which will encasing all the wiring, and we've got another pipe to mount the signal, so it can be still removed after the platform is done. Yes. Okay, the signals are set in place. Next thing to do is to wire them so that we can get an electrical connection. My plan is to feed the wire through here all the way. And now I'm going to solder the connections somewhere around here, and when it's all done I can pull this wire back with those cables so that the soldering connection will be inside this metal tube and is very much protected against anything. That's the plan. Let's do it. I will feed them through here and slide the shrinking tube all the way up. This has two positive side nodes. First, I won't see the colorful wiring when it's all said and done, because I've got a slight gap between here. So let me go ahead and shrink this on here. That's the first step. And now I'm simply going to connect the wiring of the signal to my wiring which is going into the signal box. Alright, this is looking really good. Let's see if my plan will work. And pull the wire into the tube. Aha! Okay, now you can see what I meant. This will be visible at all times. Now it is protected and it looks kind of nice. And all the soldering connections are inside the metal tube and are therefore very good protected. I have to do exactly the same process down here at the second signal, but since you have seen it already, I will get back to you when it's all done. Both signals are set in place and wired up, so they should work. I've also gone ahead and spaced all my lanterns, which I'm going to install next. So this is what it looks like right now. Of course, they are very crooked, but they are spaced evenly, and that's what matters right now. Way down here we've got the second signal, which is also ready to go. So let's go ahead and wire those lanterns. This is how it looks like right now. All the wiring is in place, nice and tidy. The lanterns are straightened up and exactly in the middle of the platform area. Track Inspector Charlie is also with me today. He has inspected all the wiring. Alright, preparations are done, and here's what we're gonna do next. I've got myself some leftovers of the stone glue, and I've bought a new bottle of stone glue. I will take this bucket, and this is washed gravel, so it has no dust on it, and I will put a certain amount of gravel in that bucket, mix it up with the glue, and then we can set it into place in my platform. Good morning, you guys. I was editing my video from yesterday and I totally forgot to record an outro and show you the final product. So here it is. It's raining today, but this station area still looks beautiful. The glue has hardened up overnight, so the rain won't hurt anything. And that's what it looks like today. I hope you have enjoyed this project as much as I did, and we will see us in the next one. Bye!